Hey, the twins here. Welcome to Speedly. What if we told you that you can generate laser-targeted traffic, then double it and make $298.50 in the first 24 hours online with just 5 minutes of work, and then set it to autopilot so it continues to make you sales? How is that possible? Well, Art and Pallab will blow your mind today. Forget everything you know about making money online. 97% of marketers do it the wrong way. They skip the most important part of the whole process. They don't know how to double the traffic they get. Double the traffic equals double the commissions. Imagine spending just 5 minutes setting up something super simple to double the traffic that we show you how to get from scratch, and then getting to sit back, relax, and watch your commissions come in on complete autopilot. Art and Pallab discovered this unique method and they started putting it to the test, getting amazing results from the start. The best part is it took just 5 minutes to set everything up. If you'll do some math, it's very exciting. If you can make $298.50 per day, that's $8,955 per month. That's very inspiring and motivating. And that's why the boys started setting up more of these automated traffic magnets and turned the method into a full-time online income. The type of full online income that will allow you to do the things you love, like being with your family, friends, and loved ones. It feels great to have that level of freedom. Today, you get to skip all of the hard work, mistakes, pain, heartaches, and money lost and jump right into taking action on something that works, something that will get the results you've been waiting for. This course is called Speedly because it is the fastest way to start from scratch, get traffic, double it, and generate commissions, and then put it all on autopilot. Also included is the case study from the exact campaign that made $298.50 with just 5 minutes of setup. You also get step-by-step training from start to finish with nothing left out or held back. You'll learn everything you need to get up and running and make money with this method. It's such a sure thing. You'll love this and succeed with it. An ironclad money-back guaranteed is also being offered. So you have nothing to lose and literally everything to gain. And the first 997 buyers will get a free lead generating software as a bonus. So hurry. So set yourself up for success in 2019. Pick up Speedly right now while the price is the lowest it will ever be. And looking forward to seeing you on the inside.
Okay, wait just 1 second. We have a big discount and you surely don't want to miss out on it. Right now you can grab the same exact Speedly formula just without bonuses for just $8.97. You'll make that small investment back in 5 minutes with what you're about to discover inside Speedly. And we'll show you exactly how to do it. You won't see this discounted offer ever again, so grab your copy of Speedly right now. Click the buy now button below and we will see you on the inside. Okay, so I won't be promising you thousands of dollars with the Speedly method, but if you want to make an easy $298.50 every single day, then the Speedly method is definitely for you. Now this is something very newbie friendly. Inside we will show you how to get traffic from scratch, then how to double it in just 5 minutes, and then get paid with the affiliate marketing model. So obviously you can use this with any other online marketing model like CPA, like e-com, like blogging or anything else. But because we want you to see results as soon as possible, we do this with affiliate marketing. We called it Speedly because this is a very easy 5-minute strategy to double your traffic and double your profits. And if you are starting from scratch, then this is the method that will bring you success in 2019 and beyond. So again, the Speedly method is created with a newbie in mind. Anyone can pick this up and start making money up to $298.50 in your first 24 hours if you'll do exactly what we show you. And this is copy and paste easy. So if you are struggling with traffic, if you're struggling with sales, pick Speedly up and we will see you on the inside.